So this Christmas, let's make something different, like my Coconut Cloud Cupcakes. 2 egg whites and sugar. I'm going to whisk it together. To this, we are going to add vanilla essence, this is coconut milk, so then flour, so I've sieved flour and baking powder. Here we are. Going to mix it, and I'm going to add neutral oil. Okay, we'll mix it all together. Now I'm going to fill it up in this, okay? So now this is going to go in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes till they crack open and smell delicious. So now coconut cloud cupcakes are in the oven. We'll start making the sauce which I'm going to fill inside. So basically it's an egg custard. We'll heat some milk or cream. So I'll heat the cream. I'll add sugar. We just need to warm the milk, that's it, so that the sugar dissolves. And here are 2 egg yolks. Whisk it. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla essence. So now this is the egg which is getting whisked. And now to this we are going to add our milk with sugar very slowly, so it doesn't curdle. Back in the pan, and we'll cook this custard. You have to be very careful so that it doesn't curdle and it'll become thick on its own. This is freshly grated coconut. I'll add 2 spoons in this. And we'll let this cool. So the filling of our coconut cloud cupcakes is ready. We'll let it in the refrigerator to cool. So our cupcakes are ready. Now, look at that. It's done to perfection. See how soft it is. Look at this, the cupcakes are so soft, and now I'm going to fill the center. So now we are going to put some toasted coconut on top. And I'll also add some freshly grated coconut on top. Now I'll show you how it looks from the inside. Oh. Coconut Cloud Cupcakes. These cupcakes taste like a tropical vacation, I promise you. And if you're enjoying the recipes, do subscribe to Shipra's Kitchen.